Imagine being able to walk with steady steps, climb stairs with ease, and feel the strength in your legs like you did years ago. For many seniors, weak legs are the first sign that independence may slowly slip away. But here's the truth. You don't have to accept that decline as inevitable. With just a small nightly routine, you can support your muscles, protect your bones, and feel more energetic each morning. Today, we'll talk about what just one spoon before bed can do for your leg strength and overall vitality, and why it truly matters. 1. The first main point is protein, especially in the form of a spoon of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a simple protein-rich snack before bed. Science shows that a small amount of protein at night helps your body repair and build muscle while you sleep. This is crucial for seniors because after the age of 50, we naturally lose muscle mass every year if we don't actively maintain it. That one spoon of protein gives your body the raw materials to keep your legs strong, so you can stand, walk, and move with confidence. 2. The second main point is magnesium, a mineral many seniors are low in without realizing it. A spoonful of magnesium-rich foods, like pumpkin seeds or even a warm glass of milk, can make a big difference. Magnesium supports healthy muscles by reducing cramps, easing nighttime restlessness, and improving sleep quality. Good sleep is when your body restores itself, and without enough magnesium, muscles may feel weaker or more tired. By taking this small step before bed, you're giving your legs the chance to recover properly and stay active for longer. 3. The third main point is vitamin D and calcium, two partners that protect your bones and prevent fractures. One spoon of calcium-rich yogurt or a fortified bedtime snack provides steady support to your skeleton. Combined with vitamin D from sunlight or supplements during the day, this routine strengthens your legs, not only at the muscular level, but also at the bone level. That means fewer risks of falls, greater stability, and the confidence to keep living life on your own terms. Before you try any new routine, always check with your doctor to make sure it's right for you, especially if you take medications or have health conditions. Remember, small, consistent steps, not drastic changes, are what create lasting strength and energy. If this video has given you hope or useful knowledge, please like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more science-based tips to keep you living strong and independent. You have the wisdom of years, and your body still has the power to carry you forward. Stay strong, stay kind to yourself, and remember, it's never too late to feel younger again.